Hi friends, this is Vibhor here. Welcome back to my channel. Now this is a quick video about WhatsApp. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can change your current number to a new number and keep your WhatsApp as it is. And also the second scenario where you're not changing your number, but you're changing your phone device itself, how you can transfer all your group messages and all your current individual chats to the new phone. You don't have to exit any of the WhatsApp groups. You don't have to exit or delete any of your conversation. How you can do that? Let's jump to my phone. So here we are on my phone. Let's quickly go into the WhatsApp. Now in the first scenario, I'm taking that you are just changing your phone number. You will keep this device as it is with you. If that's the case, all you got to do is go to the account section over here. In account, you'll find an option to change number. Click on that. On the next screen, you got to put your current device number on which the WhatsApp is running and your new number. When you confirm both of these numbers, it's going to send the OTPs to the new number as well as to the old number. Put those OTPs on the screen and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. Your same device, everything same on the device would start running on the new number. You don't have to change your groups. You don't have to change your group conversations. You don't have to exit from any of your groups. All the members in the group will get a notification that Vibhor has changed from number A to number B, and that's it, it's done. But now the other thing, what about I'm changing my phone altogether, like I'm moving to another phone? How do I do that? Now it's a very simple process to here as well. What you got to do is on your WhatsApp, go to your settings. In the settings, you got to go to the chat section. In the chat section, you got to go into the chat backup. Now over here, as soon as I click on the backup now button, my entire chat, my entire group section, everything from WhatsApp is going to get backed up on the iCloud. Now on the other phone, as soon as I put on my SIM card and activate the WhatsApp, it's going to give me a pop-up. Do you want to restore your messages from cloud? Just click yes over there. All the cloud messages, all the conversations, all the pictures, videos and everything would be restored back. Now from the screen you can see that I have anyways set up the auto backup which anyways happens from my phone. So I actually change my phone every year, but all my WhatsApp messages are there since probably 2015 on this device. This device I've been using just from this year. This is the iPhone 12 Pro. So yes, just back up your messages on the new phone, restore them, and you'll have everything working as it is. So guys, that was the very simple process through which you can change your phone or change your number. You don't have to delete the WhatsApp messages. You don't have to do anything with your WhatsApp. Everything would get restored to the new phone and you'll get your WhatsApp as is. Now, if you know about some other process through which we can backup or restore the messages to some other device, or maybe if somebody is using an iPhone and moving to an Android or vice versa, how do you think the messages can be transferred from one device to another? If you have an option for that, please put it down in the comment section below. I'll be eager to know them. That's all for this video, guys. I'll see you again in my next video. See ya.